Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're digging into a product listing that kind of flips the script on what you expect from conventional hardware.
It really does.
We're looking at the NTI VOPEX-USBH-2 KVM splitter. And our mission really is to unpack what this thing actually does. Because, used to a standard KVM, it's totally counterintuitive.
Well, the key thing to get right off the bat is that one word, splitter.
Right.
Most people hear KVM, keyboard, video, mouse, and they think switch. One person controlling maybe 16 different computers.
Yeah, that's the standard setup.
This is the precise inverse of that. It's built to let multiple users access one single computer. It literally splits the I/O lines.
Okay, so that changes everything. We're talking about a product that allows up to 4 users.
4 separate users.
4 keyboards, 4 mice, 4 monitors, all running off one USB computer. For what, around $355, you're essentially buying hardware access for 4 people.
Which can dramatically cut down your per-user cost, for sure.
And it's not just about saving money, is it? It's about a specific workflow. The source material says the core use is for multiple people to enter data into the same program.
Simultaneously.
Right. I mean, you can imagine a highly collaborative environment or maybe some kind of mission-critical control system.
Absolutely. And for that single machine to work, the compatibility has to be, well, massive. And it is. The sources show this thing supports everything from Windows 10 all the way back to, legacy systems.
Like Solaris?
Solaris, FreeBSD, older versions of Windows Server, even MSC/OS 9. It's clearly built for enterprise stability, for things that need to run for years.
So if you've got 4 people working on one PC, the next logical problem is peripherals. What about a printer or a scanner?
And they thought of that. There's a built-in USB hub.
Oh, okay.
It lets you connect up to 3 extra devices, so your shared printer, a scanner, maybe even something specialized like a security camera. That one PC becomes a powerful little workgroup node.
But if 4 people are hitting the keyboard, moving mice, how does it manage all that without video lag or, system instability?
That's where the tech specs really matter. It supports computer resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. And it's compliant with the important standards like HDMI 1.2, DVI 1.0, and crucially, HDCP 1.1. That means it handles copy-protected digital media without a problem.
Which is a must-have for anything modern.
Definitely.
And the build quality seems to reflect that high-use expectation. The listing mentions rugged steel construction, a powder coat finish.
Yeah, this isn't designed for a clean little office cubicle. This feels more like something you'd bolt into an industrial rack or put in a high-traffic control center.
There's even optional stereo audio, too. CD quality, it says.
Right. And for the big organizational buyers, government, large corporations, they've checked all the regulatory boxes. It's TAA compliant, which is a must for U.S. federal purchasing.
And CE and RoHS for Europe.
Exactly. Safety and environmental standards are covered.
So when you boil it all down, what does this mean for you? The NTI VOPEX is a very specialized tool. It's for environments where shared simultaneous access to one powerful system is the key to getting things done.
Centralized power, distributed input, that's the model.
Right.
And in terms of logistics, they seem really confident. It's listed as in stock, includes a 2-year warranty, and they even offer a free 15-day trial.
So that leaves you with a really interesting question to think about. If you have 4 simultaneous users all accessing one critical system, maybe a financial trading floor or a network operations center, how does that shared input model actually work in practice? And maybe more importantly, how does having 4 people logged into the same account at the same time fundamentally change how an organization handles security auditing and, user accountability? That's something to mull over.